In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Fonts to Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to download a font from Google Fonts, install it on your computer, and use it inside your Figma designs. Start by heading to figma.com and signing in. On the home screen, open all projects so you can get to a file where you'll test the new typeface. Pick any project and open a design file. Having it ready will make it easier to confirm your font installed correctly. Now open a new browser tab and go to fonts.google.com. This is Google's free library of typefaces. Browse or use the search bar to find a font family you like. Click into the family to see details like available weights, styles, and character support. It's a good idea to check whether the family includes the weights you'll need, such as regular, medium, and bold, so your designs stay consistent. When you're ready, click Get Font, then choose Download All. This downloads a zip file that contains the entire family, usually as .ttf files. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your downloads or a project assets folder, so you can keep things organized. Next, extract the zip file. On Windows, right-click the zip and select Extract All. On macOS, just double-click the zip and a folder will appear with the font files inside. Open that folder and look for the .ttf files. Many families include multiple files for each weight and style. Installing only the weights you plan to use can help keep your font list tidy. Open a .ttf file to launch your system's font preview window, then click Install. On macOS, this button says Install Font and adds it to Font Book. On Windows, you'll see Install or Install for all users. Repeat this for any other weights you want to use, like Italic or Bold. Return to Figma. If Figma was open during installation, refresh the browser tab or restart the desktop app so it can load your new fonts. If you're using Figma in the browser, make sure the Figma font helper is installed and running, otherwise local fonts won't appear. In your Figma file, select the text tool, click the font drop down and type the name of the family you installed. Choose the weight you need and start styling your text. If you don't see the font, double check that it was installed correctly, then refresh Figma. That's it, your Google font is now ready to use in Figma. Save your file and you're good to go.